Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. I hope you guys are doing fabulous. This Navratri we are going to do something which is very special and very interesting. And what is that exactly? So whenever you invest in any particular product or you buy a particular investment product or an investment alternative, you have to analyze it or judge it using four parameters. And now what are those four parameters? The first parameter is return on the amount that you have invested. इसका अर्थ क्या है कि आप जो अमाउंट इन्वेस्ट करते हो उस पे आपको इंटरेस्ट कितना आएगा, व्हाट इज द इंटरेस्ट दैट यू विल अर्न ऑन इट, और विल द वैल्यू ऑफ द अमाउंट दैट यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड अप्रिशिएट, विल देयर बी एनी एसेट अप्रिसिएशन, मतलब आप जब इन्वेस्ट करते हो, आप जब पैसा वापस लोगे तो उससे ज्यादा अमाउंट आएगी क्या आपको. दैट इज द रिटर्न दैट यू जनरेट ऑन द इन्वेस्टमेंट. द सेकेंड पैरामीटर इज द रिस्क. द रिस्क मीन्स व्हाट इज द चांस और व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी कि आप जो पैसा इन्वेस्ट करते हो आपको उतना भी नहीं आए और उससे थोड़ा कम आए, which is basically return of amount invested. Return of amount invested. You invest certain amount and there is a chance that you may not get even the principal back. That is the risk that you are running. The third parameter is the time horizon. आप कोई भी इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट में अगर इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो आपको ये देखना है कि इज देयर एनी वेटिंग पीरियड बिफोर विच you will not get any returns or it is not appropriate to judge the product that way. There is always a chance that in certain products you will have to remain invested for a particular time before you start getting back the interest or the capital appreciation, the increase in value. That was the third parameter, which is time horizon. The fourth parameter is liquidity. Liquidity means how easily can you convert that asset, that investment product, back into your bank balance or convert it back into money, which is currency, which is liquidity. So four important parameters to judge any investment product is return on the amount that you have invested, risk, which is return of the amount that you have invested, third is time horizon, fourth is liquidity. And any investment product that you look at, you have to look at on the basis of these four parameters, which go hand in hand. Okay, this is something that we will analyze for every investment avenue or every investment alternative this Navaratri, 9 consecutive days, one video per day on one asset class or one investment avenue. That is the idea that we are launching this Navaratri. My name is Kaustubh Kale. Stay tuned for our Navaratri videos. Thank you so much, everyone.